Have you ever pondered about the amazing facts surrounding the edible plants you consume daily? Imagine peeling back the layers of the green world around us, uncovering a treasure trove of curiosity-sparking trivia. Get ready to journey into the fascinating world of edible plants. Number 10. Did you know that some plants can grow in water without soil? That's right, hydroponics is a form of gardening that uses no dirt, and plants like lettuce and spinach thrive in this environment. Moving on to number 9, the mighty potato. This versatile tuber is not just a staple in many cuisines, but did you know it was the first vegetable to be grown in space? Yes, NASA scientists sent it into orbit for cultivation experiments. Next, at number 8, the humble tomato. Often mistaken for a vegetable, this fruit is packed with lycopene, a powerful antioxidant that promotes heart health. For number 7, we turn to the versatile beetroot. Beyond its earthy flavor and vibrant color, it's a great source of fiber, folate, and vitamin C. And finally, at number 6, the quirky artichoke. This thorny vegetable is actually a flower bud, and it's loaded with nutrients like vitamin K and folate. Let's dive deeper into the top 5 facts. Number 5. Some plants can purify the air around them while providing nourishment. Yes, it's true. Certain edible greens like the spider plant and snake plant are not just good for your plate, but also for your lungs. Moving on to number 4. Did you know that the most expensive coffee in the world is made from a plant that's digested by a civet? Kopi Luwak coffee is made from beans that have passed through the digestive system of this Asian mammal. At number 3, we have an interesting fact about broccoli. This green plant is actually a flower. Yes, those little green buds we love to munch on are unopened flower buds. Number 2, there's a plant that can help you test for air pollution. The lichen, while not typically considered edible, can indicate the level of air pollution in an area. And finally, at number 1, the world's hottest pepper, the Carolina Reaper, holds the record for the highest Scoville heat units. Now that we've discovered the top fact, let's quickly summarize our journey. From plants that grow in water to those that purify the air, the world of edible plants is truly fascinating. We've embarked on a botanical journey, unveiling 10 mind-blowing facts about the plants we eat. We've explored the aquatic world of watercress, the air-purifying power of the spider plant, and the resilience of the dandelion. We've discovered the dual nature of rhubarb, both food and medicine, and the surprising heat of the radish. We've admired the sunflower, not just a pretty face but a source of nutrition, and marveled at the humble potato, a staple food for many. Remember, every time you enjoy your greens, there's a world of amazing facts behind them. Stay curious and continue exploring.